Hey guys, I found a little bit of time to do a little video. I got this little ILCO padlock at a antique store. $5 because it had no key. Yeah, you know what I'm thinking. That doesn't break my heart any. But we'll give it a pick and see what we can do. I know it's a bit stiff, so it needs a little bit shot of some Houdini. But it's been a little while. Busy weekends, busier work weeks. If I can get this thing open at all. But I mentioned it in a live chat, and Jason helped out, and he's gonna, there we go. So with the code that's on there, he told me the key blank and the key bitting to get on to make one. It's a little stiff, like I said, so it needs some Houdini. But not too shabby for $5, you know? Can't complain. Independent Lock Company, Fitchburg, Massachusetts. Like I said, it's a little stiff on the action, but we'll get her done. Yeah, pop that open with my custom pick from Hillbilly Lock Sport. It's turning out to be one of my go-to picks. It's a really nice profile. But thanks a lot, Hillbilly. Again, I know I mentioned it before. Picking in my truck. Looks like it's going to be a short video, but don't pass up antique stores. All right, thanks a lot. Have a good day. Thanks for being patient with my lack of videos lately, but I'm still around. I'm just working.